Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer your cryptocurrency from crypto.com to Coinbase. Moving your digital assets between platforms requires careful attention to detail. We will go through each step to ensure your funds arrive safely. Following these instructions precisely will help you avoid common mistakes and ensure a smooth, secure transfer of your valuable crypto assets. Let's get started with the process. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Account section. From there, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, tap on Transfer, then choose Withdraw and select External Wallet. You will need to add a new wallet address by tapping the plus sign, or select an already whitelisted Coinbase address. Always ensure the address is correct. Now switch over to your Coinbase app. On the home screen, locate and tap the Receive button. It is absolutely critical to select the identical cryptocurrency you intend to transfer from crypto.com. Coinbase will then provide a unique wallet address for that specific asset. Copy this address carefully, then paste it into the designated withdrawal address field back in your Crypto.com app. Double-check every character. Before confirming your transfer, always verify that the cryptocurrency type and blockchain network on both platforms match exactly. For larger amounts, consider sending a small test transaction first, perhaps $5 or $10, to ensure everything works correctly. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees charged by crypto.com and potential network fees. Review all transaction details one final time before hitting confirm to ensure a successful and secure transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.